rooms for a level. We need to make 3 rooms so they can do anything they want.
Himuan niya og kuan, double deck ang
This is a...
No, when they're still a baby, we have to put them here. So they can compress, so it will be hotter. And also we can save electricity because we have to put light on them.
Yeah, but they can't eat over there. They should be eating over there in the next room. Wait, did chickens play with hands or not?
What?
Did chicken play with hands or no?
Ayaw, balik.
Ano man? Ay, ang pagpalusot ay dili.
Mama, did chicken play with hands or not?
No, they only have feet.
Yeah, but
Remember, they only have 2 feet.
yeah, but they can play with people.
How?
But people like but the chicken miss the people.
Chicken miss the people?
Yeah. That's why
How come?
they want to play with them. Oh.
Ako lang.
Ulang! Na ulang!
Biraha ko ni ang angara.
Are you taking a video?
Nay ang angara yo.
Oh yeah, they're taking a video. It is knife!
Ate ko chilya no, kuchilyo ko yang anggot.
Language! Language!
Kupa niya ni. Ana oh. Alak na rat minute.
Dili sa lahi mo ni. Sa lahi niyang pasulod.
Daddy!
Kaya kung kamot na kaya man.
Daddy!
Gasan ko na mabuhan. Yan, usa kang mubira diha, sige. Usa kang mo kuan da, sulay sa saksak diri ba. Para kabaluta nga walay diferensya sa sulay sa saksak diri naa ba. Okay, guys, we're gonna put lights on them, Gyro. So we have to put them in one place first, okay?
I can't. If young people can hold the heavy.
Where did you put the scissor?
I'm gonna hold his log. I'm gonna hold his log. And the hand is good. I'm holding the log. I'm holding the biggest log ever. Biggest log ever. A really funny bag. Father didn't give me the bathroom for a chickie. But the bag.
Away, Jairus, move away.
Okay, okay. On my way, on my way.
Okay na na. Di, pwede na ilusot.
Isa-isa rin kami.
Put it, put it. Wait, can we put the chickies already? Or not yet?
Not yet.
I want to put the chickies.
Okay, almost. We're almost done. Once we're done,
Papa! What? I want the lights to be inside there! On the freaking lights!
Cute.
Fuck you!
Kahaga. Go. Why are you doing that, huh?
Did you turn on the light?
Can't you wait?
I
You see
can.
that I'm working? Do you want me to turn on your eyes? Ah. Why are you shouting at me?
Want me to open your pants?
Video.
Open your
Asa?
pants.
Ah, sige lang. Don't mind the lambon.
Meron sa nato.
Anak, kita kunin niya.
I'm a chickie. I'm a chickie. Put me in the cage.
Mini, nagway ka.
Asra tayo ni no?
Ihap ka na. Kaya ko higot. Dari nung dapat higot lang.
Dito na higot rin, no?
How can I close the door when Dad is here? What the fuck?
Dari nung bugo.
Oh, there's bad aims. I was trying to close the door, man.
Karulot?
What the fuck, man? What's this? Oh my god, what the heck does it hear me? Get the chickies.
Idoko-doko ba para dili makuha ng wire o ma-andara.
I'm covering the camera. I want everyone to be seen. Put those there. Gold!
Asa lang conveyor?
Where the pants? Let me cut the pants. I'm covering the camera. I want everyone to be seen. I want everyone to be seen.
Yo. Pwede na sa outdoor CCTV yun. Hindi ka naaw lang niya tani.
I don't want everyone to be seen. I'm closing the camera.
Ito sa ibe, kaya tumba pa niyo.
Oh, I forgot I got this. Did that work? Oh, it did!
Ah, Jairus, gunting ah, Jairus.
Let's go. Throw it. Throw it.
Ayaw! Diyos kong ladig ko eh.
Let me slap it.
Kaso na, yan siya kayo kuha na siya. Di ba na yung perma? Ang pagkaon, pwede ito butang pikas oh. Sister ito pikas oh.
How can I close this door? Mama, Mike,
Oh, no,
how can I close the door when this is here?
It's okay. We can close that.
Why can't I close it? Why can we cut this?
Babaw lang.
Ano siya? Mas maay ganun ang ubos-ubos gani.
Kaya
Kaya
na,
init
ano
sila
po
ha.
si, ano mo po si Pusyon na ka na. Kuan pa naman. Matay pa siguro. Mga ngayon na 25 bucks na.
This stupid thing
Butangan na to sila.
keep blocking me!
Wa, ano to ang chicken? We're gonna put the chicken now.
But why is it always blocking me?
No, it's not. What you can do is do like this, oh. Ayaw pag inububsing. Ay, because I put it in the wrong way. Oh, okay.
That's bad aim. It's bad aim.
Ana, chicken.
Sigaon na na po.
I need a flashlight. I cannot see it.
I found you. Nigga, I found you.
My cat bowl. My cat chicken.
Eh, hubo-hubuin.
What? I'm gonna make it schemers.
Oh. Kuha itong camera ko. Ito ang diduan, gyros.
Tumaga.
Puti. Ganda.
Kapuda ba ulan sa
My chickies.
Ay, camera na na.
My chickies. Please go.
Dahil na ibutan ka na?
Mr. Chicky. But I don't want the claws.
Okay, like a claw. Like that. Okay, put them there. Asa doon pakagkaunahan?
Nigga! Look at that girl.
Do not let them go out. Yata, anak nakuha ka, para di sila ka-go out.
Why did...
Yo, what's up, man?
What's up? Look at this nigga!
Ibutan na.
Do not feed them with anything, ha? Only their food, ha? Then you have to wash your hands afterwards.
Why did one sad? He was standing in the wall.
Okay, ayaw itrapo sa ng jacket. Labhan yung dahil ng jacket ko. Labhan naman.
Daddy.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
That was good aim. Give me that chicken. Give me that chicken. This one is a female. I know what should we name him? But we should name him
Mali, balhin ta kami libay sa
We
baan
should
mo.
name him baby.
Dito sana siya, oh, sa may kuan, oh, sa may butanganan, og. Kato ba, oh, sa may alugbatihan. Higot na dito sa tiil, sa alugbati. Unsa man, pakasta pagikas imong amo?
Hi!
Oh, sige na, put na.
Nahulog siya.
Nahulog siya.
No, me.
Mm.
This is good aim. Give me.
Ma-viral gid ka. Daghan ra kay product.
It's Proto Kingdom.
Ayaw ko ana.
Gyros, tay. Gyros sa udan.
Ayaw ko han. Sige na, we're gonna put this inside. And I'm gonna mix a water for them.
This is gonna be the kitchen. Not.
Hoy, dili na sila tawo. Oy, yan ay kitchen. Oy, si kitchen na sila kay. We're gonna put it here, there, the extra materials, the extra food. Huh?
I kind of like to feed him.
What?
I kind of like to feed him because they look
Murad.
hungry. I think, Mama, is that one starving or not?
No, they're not starving, but we can put them food. Okay. Oh, get this. Do like this, oh. Trap it here.
Yeah, and the food.
Trap it here. Hold this so that they cannot go outside. Because I'm gonna put the food, the butanganan sa kapagaon. Di po nga English na.
Hi, little guys. Hi, guys. How's it going over there, buddy?
Gutok nila.
Good dog. They're batting. Flying chickens tend to escape.
Pasensya na gid kay kami-kami gid ani. Ano, buang mo diba siya?
It's bad.
Oh, I'm gonna put the food. I'm gonna video you. Wait lang. Wait for Papa. Okay.
Wait, can I? Wait, I
Huh?
wanna touch them.
Nay? Dito sa kanang tiilay. Kanang haligi sa alugbatihan.
Them.
Wala naman gyapon na importante. Dira nga
Mama,
tanan.
I always gonna touch them.
You want to touch them? Okay, but make sure ha, half open lang ha.
Half open. Half open. Time to touch. Come here, little chickies.
They're gonna be stressed. You want them dead?
No, I don't want to touch them.
MJ! M! Ha? Guys, ako direct disposable cup din. Kato lang styro, kaya ako imo ag sukbanan sa ilang feeds.
Feeder. Feeder, feeder. Feeder, feeder. Feeder, feeder.
Pero sa anak sa ako direct guys.
That's a good aim. I'll put some food.
Okay.
Are you hungry?
Hmm?
Are you hungry or not?
They are. Maybe they are. I'm gonna put them
Wait,
water.
all of them are starving?
Which one do you want me to use? This one? This one? Or this one? Kapag gamay-gamay rata ko da. Nagkakura ka nila da. Ito.
I mean, that one's bigger.
Yeah, this one is bigger. I don't think so that we can use this. The smaller one. So that they will not gonna be so buto.
Yeah,
Which one do you think would be fit? Would fit?
that one. It's so small. That one's super big. That's for.
Okay, I'm gonna give you the feeds ha.
I think
And then you
that-
can put...
I think that one's for big chickens.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Chicken.
I have a mama chicken.
Soon we're gonna have a mama chicken.
I'm gonna put my hand. Hi, little chickies.
So kani siya guys. Wala gini kabalo ani. Kung saan ni siya pag.
My baby girl.
We're just trying. Eh, butang niya dito mineral water. Ay, mineral water, MB.
Mineral.
Oh, ito nga lang ha. Hindi na ubod. Dili lang
Wait,
po.
this guy can
Or,
slide.
na dito yung sukbanan. Kaya mas may
Oh,
tanong 2 liters ra.
Ayaw lang sa balde.
Okay na mineral water. Hanggang may rabita. Ano lang rot?
Ito lang, ito lang.
That's good aim.
You want to put them feeds too?
Ang taas ang gamit. Itatag ka niya. Wala pa dito na kutangan.
Jairus, we're gonna put the feeds. Oh, put the feeds na.
Tumoy, ito tumoy.
Put over there, over there.
Ito.
Over there, oh. Over there. Sige lang,
Why
sige
are they
lang, sige lang.
playing?
They're not playing, they're eating.
Over here. Okay.
I made a mess. Is that okay? That's okay. That's alright. That's fine.
He doesn't want to close it. Kaya mulantaw palagi siya.
Nasa i-close.
Ano? Isa.
Look at his air. Look at his air.
Ayaw sa, kabutangan po ng vitamins.
Init sila. Oh.
Ihayang sa, usik yung tubig.
Why are you gonna give them medicine?
No, it's a vitamins, not medicine. Asa gituhan ng vitamins, Han?
Well, wait, hold it. Can I like gonna pick them up?
Ayaw i-pick up. Pinagkaunan na sila.
Oh, and check his mouth. Don't check that one's
Kaya ang
mouth.
pinag-usik. Kaya hapras ako ibutang.
The bad aimers. Half open. Half open, okay?
Half nigger.
No, I need half open. Why is that one not eating? It's starting. Why is that one not eating? He's gonna start it. Oh, now. Can it go? Chicken foot. Eh! I didn't get a flying chicken!
Ganun na. Para din sa mga
Rapok dito.
It looks like a big worm.
Might get wet. Excuse me. Or I should say, ipot na ito na siya. Dito lang. Ana pa kay kumbiyo. Kabalo ano mo gisik ay. Butang na dito ang ikaw gud kay ko lang gisik na. Alihan pa ta na sa dra o pa dito sa tugma. Kanira ba o ana ra dra o likod ra para maana ang hanin at hanin. Hampak na sa hanin.
Tara ka dito man ang pagkain, no?
Diba? Anak ko na mapalangga ingat.
Close kita nila ang division, no?
Barato kung ginakuhaan ng mama kasi 25 para 3 weeks na. So, sa una ba?
Mahal lang Pasifika ko na.
Napasipin ka dira?
Ba?
True ka na.
Ba?
Ha,
Rock
kanin.
for this. Rock for Biwa.
Biwa.
Maras.
Ayaw.
Ad siya.
Wala, kandir yung gibutan.
Ito na sa saratan.
Ara. Ana lang ay di sarado ko. Ano? Ano ko na ang page ko, daan ang page.
Ah, ako cellphone. Ikot na na. Ay, di puta. Ikaw nag-ikot, bro.
Abuntag palungon rin na sa daw, dira.
Depende sa panahon. Pero usually, pag inanak pang baby po sila, wala. Na-on na siya. Usually, pa ko lang.
Dito ba?
Nya, iloy-iloy lang. Okay.
Tapos ano? Ano na lang ang na.
Langga kayo mo ha, mga bebe. Buhi na. Kabalang itong buhi, madungag na punta.
Wala ba? Abi mo sa dito. Kapag mo.
Diba, mas alive sila, no? Pero murag, i-separate kita ni Han. Dara, gurong musta niya ang nga na isarado dira, oh.
RG ganito, logi ka na. Iha pabahin ganito.
Dili, uy, dagko na. Inigdagko na. Mangin siya mga usa ka bulan gikan sa pagbuhi.
Nagko na kay buhat.
Walong na.
Payag or pwedeng setup ba payag. Sira.
Ano pa, obra tang ditong namakan, oh.
Kaya naman makan.